we solve another most important problem in 7 marks. Find the equation of the circuit. Find the equation of the circuit passing through 4, 1 and 6, 5. 4, 1 and 6, 5 and having the center on the line. 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the circuit passing through the points 4, 1, 6, 5 and having the center on the line 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0. Again, once to find the equation of the circle passing through the 2 points and center lies on the line. Center lies on the line. Here we require equation of the circuit we take in general form. Let the required equation of the circuit is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Is the required equation of the circle we take in general form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here find the values g comma f and c. G comma f and c. Here circle passing through the 2 points and center on the line. Center on the line. This is the required equation of the circle passing through the points A 4, 1 and B 6, 5 and center lies on the line. Center lies on the line. 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. A circle is passing through the point 4, 1 and 6, 5. Center lies on the line 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0. The center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f lies on the line. 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0. First of all, a circle is passing through the A point. A point substitute on the equation number 1. Again, circle is passing through the point B. Again, B point substitute on the equation number 1. We find two equations G comma F and C. First of all, the circle. One is passing through A point 4, 1. A 4, 1 lies on the circle. Means here substitute x equal to 4, y equal to 1. 4 square, y square, 1 square plus 2g into x, 4 plus 2f into y, 1 plus c is equal to 0. 4 square, 16, 1 square, 1, 2 4s are 8g, 2 into 1, 2f plus c is equal to 0. 8g plus 2f plus c, 16 plus 1, 17 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. Again, the circle 1 is passing through B point 6 comma 5. 6 comma 5. B 6 comma 5 lies on the circle. Here substitute x equal to 6, y equal to 5, x square, 6 square, y square, 5 square plus 2g into x, 6 plus 2f into y, 5 plus c is equal to 0. 6 square, 36, 5 square, 25, 2 6 are 12g, 2 5 are 10f plus c is equal to 0. Right order 12g plus 10f plus c plus 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25, 61 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 2. Substitute A4 comma 1 lies on the circle. Condition number 1. Again B point 6 comma 5 lies on the circle. Substitute 6 comma 5 in the equation number 1. Roman number 1, equation number 2, getting the equation number 2. Again, the center of the circle lies on the line. The center minus g comma minus f lies on the line. 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0. Minus g comma minus f substitute in the above equation. Here 4 into x minus g plus y is equal to minus f minus 16 is equal to 0. Minus 4g plus into minus f minus 16 is equal to 0. Multiply with minus 4g plus f plus 16 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 3. First we solve 1 and 2. Cancel c value. Solve 1 and 2. We remove c from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2 or to eliminating c. Second one is 12g plus 10f plus c plus 61 is equal to 0. First one is 8g plus 2f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. 17 is equal to 0. Subtracting. Plus c minus c cancel. 12g minus 8g 4g. 10f minus 2f 8f plus 61 minus 17 44 is equal to 0. 4 common. 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 11s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 8 4 11s are 44 is equal to 0. Taking 4 right side, 0 by 4 0. G plus 2f plus 11 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 4. Solve 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Find the values G and F. G and F. Condition number 3. 4G plus F plus 16 is equal to 0. Fourth one, G plus 2F plus 11 equal to 0. Condition number 3. Multiply with 2. 2 4s are 8 G. 2 into F. 2F. 2 into 16. 32 is equal to 0. Fourth equation, write the same. G plus 2F plus 11 is equal to 0. Subtracting. Minus 8G minus G. 7G plus 2F minus 2F cancel. 32 minus 11. 21 is equal to 0. 7G plus 21 is equal to 0 means 7G is equal to minus 21. G is equal to minus 21 by 7. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. Therefore, G is equal to minus 3. G is equal to minus 3. Again, G value substitute in equation number 4. G is equal to minus 3. Substitute in equation number 4. Equation number 4 is G plus 2F plus 11 is equal to 0. G equal to substitute minus 3 plus 2F plus 11 is equal to 0. Minus 3 plus 11, 8 plus 2F is equal to 0. 2F is equal to minus 8, F is equal to minus 4. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, F is equal to minus 4. G comma F values. G equal to minus 3, F equal to minus 4, substitute in equation number 1 or 2. G is equal to minus 3 and F is equal to minus 4, substitute in equation number 1. Equation 1 is 8G plus 2F plus C plus 17 is equal to 0. 8 into G minus 3 plus 2 into F minus 4 plus C plus 17 is equal to 0. 8 to 3 is 24 plus into minus 24 plus into minus 2 4 is 8 plus C plus 17 is equal to 0. Minus 24 minus 8 minus 32 plus C plus 17 is equal to 0. C minus 32 plus 17 minus 15 is equal to 0. C is equal to 15. C is equal to 15. Therefore, G equal to minus 3, F equal to minus 4, C equal to 15. Substitute in Roman number 1. G is equal to minus 3, F is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 15. Substitute in equation number Roman number 1. X square plus y square plus 2g. G equal to minus 3 into x plus 2f. F equal to minus 4 into y plus c is equal to 15 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus into minus 2 3s are 6x plus into minus 2 4s are 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. 15 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Equation of the circle, center lies on the x-axis. Center lies on the x-axis and passing through the points 4, 1 and 6, 5 is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0. This is the finding the process for the equation of the circle. Finding the equation of the circle.